In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom page breaks in Google Sheets. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Let's open a document. In the title bar, click on File. In the drop-down, click on Print. In the Print menu, click on Set Custom Page Breaks. Here, drag the blue line from the border of the page to add page breaks. You can add both horizontally and vertically. When you are done, click on Confirm Breaks. Here you can see that the sheet has been divided according to the page breaks.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.